Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel BioLearner platform. So in this video, I'm going to talk about classification. So I think hope you have seen the first video and second video. In that I've used a whiteboard. So in this, I'm making something new from this video. So here we go. What is classification according to you all? So classification. So there are thousands of life forms on the earth. Everyone are different from one another. Some forms are very similar, like for example rat and mouse. So here rat is having heavier size, mouse having a shorter and smaller size. So both are similar but having different body forms. Here we take another examples like rat is smaller when compared to animal like elephant is little bigger. So different life forms. So how can we make sense of all these life forms that exist on the earth? So biologists came up with a new concept, that is classification. Classification is a scientific way of grouping living organism. So in order to understand the evolutionary pattern of the organism, to study the organism, classification helps a lot. There are levels of classification. We call these levels as a taxon. So taxon is a Greek word. So it means grouping of organism, nothing but classifications. All closely related organism kept in a species, followed by genus, then family, order, class, phylum, then kingdom. So kingdom is the largest unit of classification. All the levels of taxon constitute taxonomic category. Species. It is the smallest taxonomic category and it is a basic unit of classification. The term species was given by John Ray, and basic biological concept of species was given by Ernst Mayr in the year 1942. Biological concept of species explain a group of closely related organisms can interbreed in a nature and give fertile offspring. But this concept of Mayr was applicable only for the sexually reproducing organism only. There are organisms that have only asexual mode of reproduction like mycoplasma, bacteria, etc. Genus is assembly of related species which are evolved from common ancestor and have a common character called correlated character. Like for example, Solanum tuberosum is a potato, Solanum melangia is a brinjal, Solanum nigrum is a nightshade. If you look at here, the genus name is similar, that nothing but they have a common character. If we take animal as an example, Panthera tigris is a tiger, Panthera leo is a lion, Panthera pardus is a leopard. If you look at here, the genus name is similar, means they have a correlated and it's nothing but common characters. Next is family. Similar general character kept in a family, like for example, Solanum, Datura, Tunia are belongs to same family, that is Solanaceae, because they have a same general characters. If we take an example of animals, Panthera comprises lion, leopard, tiger is put along with the genus Felis in a family Felidae. Next is a order. Similar families kept in a order. So this comes in a higher category. Like for example, Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae kept in a order Polymoniales based on this character. Next is a phylum. Here similar classes kept in a phylum. So like for example, classes like fishes, amphibians, birds, mammals are the class kept in a phylum, that is chordates. Next level is a kingdom, which is the highest rank in taxonomic category. So kingdom comprises plant, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia, kingdom Monera. So this comprises all this. In the next video, we'll talk about taxonomical aids.